I mean, you really don't got too many trials. Well, damn. I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about that. Like, I get too thirsty sometimes. I didn't think about that. Mm. Damn, I should have. Man, man. I'm not gonna probably let myself away. Ugh. You know what, Alfred? You know what? We caught the bottom last night on silver, and like I expected, it was a 20K point move. We caught the bottom, or not necessarily a bottom, but the bottom of that leg. 20K point move from the entry. Yeah, just about $18,000 if I just held. Crazy, right? On one contract, 18,000. But no, I missed this short though. I had an opportunity to take the short. I just didn't trust it. I just have trust issues. I just had trust issues. I mean the 50 it hit a 50. This little range right here. I gotta zoom into it, but it hit it. You see? Mm, yeah, it hit it. Actually, no, no, no. This is the 50 right there. That is this little range right there, and it pulled back. The range, breakage structure, pull back. I just didn't trust it because I mean it was so bullish. I was like, I don't know, man. That's kind of it'll be kind of weird for it to just out of nowhere drop. But if I if I took this trade, which I wish I did, if I can just go back in time and say, hey, just take the trade, just try. I mean, I'll be up like 200. So I mean, I haven't. This just shows me that I know what I'm doing on silver. Is just the Nasdaq that it really is the bane of my existence. I just think about, oh man, it's probably not going to work because of this or that, and then it ends up working. So, um, I definitely have the detox for sure. So I get the gamma levels, but now I no longer have the dark pool levels on black box stocks. I freaking swear, man. The two components that makes it worth the 70, $80 I pay a month for it. Those are the two things that don't work. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. You gotta pay attention to that. Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? All right, all right. Sorry about that. Had to hurry up and eat my breakfast real quick. Hurry up and eat it. For whatever reason, it took forever in the day to cook. Okay. Well, I missed out on a good trade this morning. Well, I didn't miss out on it. I had the opportunity to take it. I just didn't take it. I didn't trust it. Like I was saying earlier, I just didn't trust it. The market was so bullish. It was a short trade. Maybe I should have. Uh, maybe I should have. Just at least tried. I mean, it fit everything. I mean, it was a range. It was a small little range. It broke structure, but then this move back up, I was like, man, I don't know, man. This thing might just actually take it out. But that's the Nasdaq in me. The Nasdaq will do something like this. I had to remember that these are commodities. It's going to reject at least. And I mean, even if it didn't reverse, it would have reject, and I still would have gotten paid. So I mean, in hindsight, and then I wasn't looking at this chart. I don't even know what this range was from. Honestly, I don't remember this range. But yeah, this must have been a range from yesterday or something like that. I don't know. Well, excuse me. Oh yeah, I had this. Okay, yeah, I drew this range out yesterday. I forgot. And it straight up respected it, man. Straight up respected it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this short. I mean, even though this could be a short, I'm not gonna take it short. If I wanted to get in short, honestly, if it breaks out and pulls back, I would actually, if it breaks out and pulls back, I will look to go along here. But if not, then I already have a limit sitting down here for a pullback into this area right here. Because this is the same area that we got that rejection from last night. They broke above it. They took the liquidity above. They took the liquidity below. They got a big move higher. So I'm looking for the market to come back into this area for at least a push. So we'll see. And we'll see. Gold. Gold, gold, gold. Hold on. Did I just get hold on. What? Seriously, gold? Damn it. So it looks like I took another loss on gold here. Nice. All right, so okay. All right, fine. Okay. Okay. Mm. Mm. Well, mm. Hmm. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I mean that is the one that I use. And just for whatever reason, decided to go deeper into liquidity. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Mm. 4374. Okay. Mm. Well, all right. I guess I made a mistake on gold, I guess. This would have, well, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Because if I got in, yeah, never mind. Yeah, this would have been a winner on gold. So I made a mistake. Okay. All right, man. Whatever. I'm learning. Mm, I feel like I feel like I'm going through a cognitive dissonance right now. All the stuff that I thought worked, it seems like, I guess I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but it seems like now that I have new information, this new information is overriding my old logic and the old reasons why I take trades. Now it seems like the older trades are just not performing. Or maybe I'm just making a mistake. I'll just say I just made a mistake there. I just made a mistake. Because I mean, it cost me. My mistake cost me today. So, man. So I mean, I guess the only thing I can do in this situation is try for a short. But I mean, I don't know. If I mean, we did have this big move down, and we did have this follow through. If I take a short, I mean, it would have to be. $392, like a big breaker block right there. So order block right there. So around like 420, a big order block right there on those highs. So if we do see a move back up to those highs, we'll definitely be able to see a short. Yeah, so I'll just keep the 15 just in case, because it just seems like 49. Okay. I guess technically, yeah. Yes, technically, yeah. Thanks. Well, if we do go for a short, if I do go for a short, it would have to be strategically placed, because I mean, it hasn't broke. I mean, it hasn't broken this low yet, so we just have to patiently wait to see what the market does here. I guess we can look at the Nasdaq and see what she's doing. Yeah, it looks like the Nasdaq had a breakout. Still getting that chop from the Nasdaq. This must have been brutal to hold short. And if you were trying to target yesterday's or below or yesterday's lows, I mean, man, I know you just got stopped out. Shit, NQ trading like she got to get this shit, man. NQ's trading like her rent is due tomorrow. She trying to collect as much liquidity to make these moves as possible. That's how the NASDAQ is trading. We can take a look at the ES, and same thing with the ES. Looks like whoever had the algos on, they must have had the same algo on for the NASDAQ and ES, because the price action is literally identical. It's literally identical price action. The chop down and then the breakout. I guess I kind of just limit myself, really. Damn. Okay. So we had a damn. God damn. Okay. Yeah, that tears it, dude. If this thing breaks out, I'm going long here. Like, it's obvious the market loves this level right here. Yeah, it definitely is, man. I'm sitting here thinking like, yeah, I want to get in right here. Man, I should have just took the damn I should have just took that trade. I should have just took that one. Man, it's always the trade that you don't take. But it's okay, man. We'll get it. We just gotta get. It's always the trade you don't take. Oh man. Okay. All right. Yeah. You took the short and got out the bottom of the range. Yeah, congratulations on that. Hey, yeah, what's up, J Stores? I'm thinking about getting another account. I'm thinking about what is it? Resetting that 150K account with Tradify. Yesterday, it didn't even have a chance because I was on tilt. Didn't have a chance. I'm thinking about it though. Oh yeah, Top Step didn't hold on. Top Step did not respond to my message, I don't think. I'm still waiting for a team member. I'm still waiting on a team member on over at Top Step. Well, Top Step, that's not a good look. All right. It's not a good look, Top Step. So what I'm waiting for, so in order for me to take this trade, to set a limit at that trade, or I'm sorry, in order for me to set a limit at this area, price is going to need to break out and then pull back into this area, and then I'll take the trade. If it doesn't do that, then I'm not going to take the trade. I took an unnecessary loss this morning because I got what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, I was looking for a retest trade here, but I had to remind myself. I was like, dude, you took a trade. It didn't even break structure or nothing. I was trying to take a retest trade, and the area where I tried to take the retest, there was no break of structure, which is the whole point of my damn strategy. It's just waiting for the market to show its hand, waiting for the break of structure, and then taking the trade. And I was just so excited to, I just wanted to take a trade. So instead of, but then I wasn't looking at this chart. If I was looking at, I was looking at my other chart. I didn't even know where this range came from. That's why I was like, where did this range come from? Because it's not on my other chart. It's only on this chart. So actually, what I probably should do is copy this and actually, let me. I think that's 135. And when it's probably like supposed to be like 990, but probably is 135, but that shit isn't working though. So okay, I'll just. I can't even lock the damn thing, or it's gonna mess with the settings. That's stupid. All right. All right. I mean, I guess it's my fault. I should have paid more attention. Should have paid more attention to it. I just made a mistake in silver and gold. I think Alfred, I think I got a little case of the payout bug, because honestly, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I just wanted to get another payout. So I was like one trade away from a payout in another account, and now I'm not anymore. So I guess payout fever is real. I mean, we all know it's real though, but even an experienced trader that's taken multiple payouts can experience the payout fever. Yeah, it definitely is, man. It definitely is, man. Yo, congratulations on that, J Stores. What were you trading last night? Were you trading gold, silver, Nasdaq? What were you trading? You know what, Santiago? I missed out on it, man. I missed out on it. Actually, I skipped over it. Actually, so which one are you talking about? Are you talking about this big one right here? Or are you talking about this one right here? The first or second one? Because I had an opportunity to trade the first one or this one. I just didn't trust it because of how bullish it was. So I didn't trust it. And then I missed it on this one. Oh shit, silver. Yeah, so I I'm finding myself doing the same thing that I did with the Nasdaq and ES or Nasdaq and gold, is blending them together. And that's the mistake that I made with gold earlier today. I won't do that again. I won't make that mistake again. Um yeah, I won't make that mistake again. With silver, if I identify a level, I don't give, like I said, I don't give it more than 18 ticks. And depending on the account size, like if I was trading micro, so if I was trading a 150K, risking $180 with 2 micros, that gives me 3 chances to make profits. Or I lose what, $540, and I would lose the account in about 27 trades. You can double that if I only started out with 1 contract. But I don't scalp silver, even though maybe I should. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend scalping silver. All it takes is one wrong move and the account is done. But obviously, I mean, if you're really good at moving your stop to break even and letting the trade play out and not allowing it to go deep into the red, then trading silver is still dangerous. All it takes is one bad trade on silver and it's done. But I understand that people are going to scalp silver, so obviously do it responsibly, or shit, silver is more ruthless than gold. But I'll identify a level. If it doesn't work, I'll give it 18 ticks and just accept the loss. And at least I give myself 2 or 3 tries. And if I fail, then I lock out. If I played a game like that, then I'm trading the numbers game and not necessarily trading, which a part of me doesn't like, because I feel like I want to trade. But as long as I'm trading the numbers game and I keep my emotions intact, I can lose. I'll lose no more than $500 per day. It will take about 18 or 27 to 54 or 27 trades to lose the account if I'm trading micros. If I'm trading minis, obviously that changes things. That means that I have to go for bigger targets. I at least have to go for a 1 to 5 to kind of keep me in the green. So that's why I go for 90 tick, or I used to go for what 54 ticks, but now I go for 90 to keep me in the game longer with the minis. Because like I said, all it takes, I only give myself 2 chances. In some accounts, I only give myself 1 chance. But in other accounts, depending on how I feel, I'll give myself 2 and accept that if I'm wrong both times, then I lose $900. And I'm going to have to accept that. When it comes to trading gold, I only give myself one trade in gold in all accounts, no matter the, well, it depends. It depends. With my static drawdown accounts, I'll give myself 2 chances. But if it's not a static drawdown account, then I only take 1 trade a day with gold. Because with gold, I can probably make my money back in the follow-up trade. I've already shown myself that I can do that. But usually what I do is I don't like to wait for that follow-up trade. I like to get back in because I don't like the fact that I lost and then I lose even more money. So I just take one trade with gold, lose 200 something dollars, $300, and play the numbers game with gold. And overall, I will be profitable. All right, so if silver breaks out, I'm definitely trading the pullback here. This is definitely where I'm getting in at. Obviously, the market loves this level. I mean, technically, this is a break of structure, technically, but I kind of want to see it break above these highs. I kind of want to see that. Yeah, silver is definitely a silver dude. I mean, a killer. She's a serial killer. And she loves this shit. She serial kills for sport. She's one of those serial killers that likes to leave markers, tags. That's who silver is. All right, so that's basically a stop run right here. So everybody that was short right here, and just like you said, Alfred, good thing, are getting stopped out of their positions right now. And Bookmap just confirmed. Let me show y'all guys what I'm looking at on Bookmap. All right, guys, y'all see that? You see where? I mean, I can look at the chart and see that people got stopped out, but anyway, you see this right here? This is people getting stopped out right there. Dang it. You know what? Nah, fuck it, man. I'm gonna take it, man. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it. I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna be just like Santiago. See the 50, execute at the 50. I'm gonna take it. Yes, sir. I definitely did. I waited for it, the lifetime license, and now all I have to pay is for the data and for the market pulse. I did buy, so I'm gonna show you what I bought. Everything was about 14, I think, with everything. Oh yeah, Alfred, they work. These patterns work. I mean, they work for a reason, because that's the algorithms and stuff. All right, gold, don't be nasty. Or gold, silver, don't be nasty to me here. Don't be nasty to me here. Dude. Even though I'm taking this trade on the sim, I would have taken this trade. So I'm taking this trade as if I took this in like a funded account or something like this, or something like that. So I'm taking this trade. All right. So we'll see. I mean, shit. So far, good enough. If you took this trade with me, you up 18 ticks. That's like $500. All right. Bookmap. Show you what I got. So right now, this deal is gonna last until January 1st. So if you're on the fence about getting Bookmap, all right. So, oh crap. We up, baby. We up. We up. Oh no, silver. My bad, my bad. I forgot I had to act like I don't care about it. No, 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 no. I gotta act like I don't care. I don't care. Let's talk about Bookmap. I don't care about this position. Anyway, so yeah. So they're doing a New Year's deal, 30% off the lifetime license on so if you want a lifetime license on their biggest subscription, it's $1,300. They're doing a 50% off on their data, depending on what you get. I only bought just one package, and I think it's like $30. So I spent 17, but then I have to spend $30 on it next month. Oh, come on, Silver. No, Silver, no, don't do it. No. Silver, no, don't do it. No. Yeah, hold that, Silver. Hold that. Shit. It's always the trades that you don't take, right? And the ones that you do take is like, ah, shit. Trying to stop me out. Keep going higher. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely going to hold it. Or if you were talking about silver hold, but shit, y'all guys know me. Silver, I mean, the crazy thing about silver is that even though I'm up, I'll probably be up like 2K, 3K or whatever. As long, I mean, shit, if it don't hit my target, I don't care how much I'm up. P&L wise. I want that shit to hit my target, damn it. All right. Where can this thing go at, man? Where can it go? You said 415 is a bottom 50? 415? Ooh. Hopefully it doesn't need to go down there. Because obviously I'll get stopped out in the process. So hopefully it doesn't go down there. Hopefully it doesn't need to. But I mean, they've been circling around this level. So I'm hoping that we can just see the rotation there. Mm. Damn, Silver. I mean, how many times do you need to do that? Just push higher. Damn it. How many times you need to do that? You tested the level like 10 times. Don't do it, Silver. Don't do it. Don't do it. Man, Silver playing with my emotions right now, man. Mm. Well, if the buyers fail here, we're going to get a stop run. Because the buyers are shit. Man, god damn it. Damn it. Damn. Mm. Hmm. Don't mind this trade. This is a fair value gap trade. I'm gonna take this fair value gap trade. I just want to see if it excuse me, if it'll work. I am in the sim though. This trade I would have taken and I would have lost, unfortunately. Okay. Damn. So yeah, I wonder why. I wonder why. Mm, okay. So so this is what's going through my mind right now. I missed out on 3 winning trades, and the one trade I took was a loser. My God, man. I missed out this one, this one. I took this one and it loses. Mm, mm. Well, buyers, I kind of needed you. Well, I guess I have to say this, but I guess I didn't wait for the breakout like I was supposed to. I thought that the market was going to kind of do this and hold and then do that. I would have rather caught this than having to hope for a pullback and then going, but I guess I'll see later on today if I should have stayed with my original plan. Man, that sucks. Man, that sucks. I was hoping yeah, something like this. This is what I probably should have waited on right here. But doing this and then kind of going. So, mm, payout fever. Payout fever. Mm. You said it's still respecting. You said it is at 415, right? Oh shit. Where are you seeing that one at? 415? Is it this one? Is it this internal one right here? Hmm. 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 Yeah, this move right here bounced at a fair value gap, and so now that I know that fair value gaps work on silver, you just have to pick the right one. You kind of have to pick the right one. Hmm. Let me see something real quick. 76225. Mm, mm. All right, so that was one. What I'll do, I don't want to clutter the charts too much. I don't have a lot of real estate on this one. 76225. 75940. The fuck? That can't be right. That's definitely not right. 76. Oh, okay, yeah, it is right. Okay. 7675940. Okay. Damn. Look at that. Dude, damn. Damn, dude. Look at that. Silver just hitting 50s. That's all, and that's all she want to do. She just want to hit 50s. That's it. That's all she wants to do. If you miss this trade right here, you damn near caught the pullback. Uh, 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 uh. Mm, mm. All right, so like I said, this limit right here, I'm just testing it out. I am in the sim. This is a fair value gap limit, but I missed it. We'll see if it works. See if it works. I gotta be mindful at the top of this range right here. The top of this range was also a 52. So if I see a breakout, I don't know which one I should. I don't know which one I should use. I don't know if I should use this one. I don't know or if I should use this one because this is where the market. Well, I'll use the top one because this is where the market initially rejected. Then it created another one and dumped. Oh, let me see something real quick. Oh no. Hey, yo, what's up, baby? See? Okay. Bustani. Is French for apple, right? Apple. Yeah, 715. Where did you see that one at Santiago? Where did you see that one at? Which one were you drawing that one off of? Let me see if I have it on my chart somewhere. Okay. All right. Yeah, I didn't have that one on my chart at all. Well, Silver, you broke my heart yet again. Now I think this thing works now. Okay. Yeah, I should have figured. So if I mean, so if I do this, I'm pretty sure that'll work. It'll probably work now. And this was the original plan in the freaking first place. I just didn't want to miss this move. But you see, this orange line right here is point of control. I'm moving things around. Why is this thing thinking that I'm... All right. Maybe maybe it's me. Yeah, I know, Alfred. I know. I know. All right, and this is what I should have waited on. It doubled. Okay, so it double topped at this 50 right here, and I should have waited on this. And I'm pretty sure this is going to work. It's highly likely to work. All right, I guess I have to stick to the plan, right? Do it the right way all the time. Dirty. Okay, so all right, so this is what Santiago just shared. Oh, so it's like this little small one right here. Yeah, honestly, I would have. Yeah, I wouldn't have. I would have missed that one. So the break, pull back. Okay. I think yeah, I would have missed that one. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Well, yeah, I would have missed it. I mean, I guess technically, I mean, yeah, I would have missed this one, man. I wouldn't have taken this. I wouldn't have trusted it. I wouldn't have trusted it. I would not have trusted it. But I guess technically it does fit. You have a small little range, so I guess I'm gonna have to look at that. I guess I'm just gonna have to look. Because technically, yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, shit. It definitely is, man. Let me see if I would have gotten stopped out of this because it looks. Nope. Nope. It would have almost stopped me out. Nasty silver. It would have almost stopped me out. But the 200. And so I think what I should start doing is if certain levels line up with the 200 EMA or an EMA in general, then I should start taking them. But yeah, there's no way I would have taken this one. All right, yeah. All right, so yeah, 415. Well, I guess technically that is okay. So I think I'm gonna start looking for that too because honestly, it was right here. It was right here the whole time. But I guess I'm glad I didn't see it. I'm glad I didn't draw it or I didn't draw it out because if I'd drawn it out from here, it would have worked, and then it would have dumped, and then it would have broke through it, and then it would have dumped, and then it would have came back, and then it would have finally worked right there. So, mm, mm, mm. Okay, you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a kumbaya, and I guess I'm just gonna spend the $200 to reset the damn account. Well, actually, I might just go with Lucid. I don't think I necessarily need to go with Tradeify. Let me see if Lucid has a. Let me look at Lucid real quick. Let me see what their prices are looking like. I mean, the only thing that the reason why I kept that account in the first place is because they have a $5,000 max loss on the on Tradeify's account, and Lucid only has $450 or $4,500. The only reason why I kept it, and I need as much money as possible to trade silver. So, Top Step is cheaper. But I don't want to have all my eggs on one and over there at Top Step. But I do need a daily loss limit though. I'm gonna have to think about this. Like I said, I'm gonna have to kumbaya about this. Because if I trade without any restrictions, then I already know what I'm gonna do to myself. Once, I get that losing trade, which is inevitable. Mm. 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 I mean, it's straight. It's exactly like Tradeify, in my opinion. It's just the only thing that's different about Lucid is that it offers a 25K account. I'm not sure if Tradeify offers. I guess we can look. Yes. The payouts are fast, just like Tradeify has fast payouts. As soon as you request it, I mean, it's being sent over. They give you a free account if if you put like a review on what is it called, Trustpilot and stuff like that. And they actually gave me 2 free accounts. I guess they liked the video that I made, so they gave me 2. I was like, okay, that's what's up. But yeah, unfortunately, I blew that 25K up. I blew that shit up. No. With the Lucid, yeah, Sherm, code Sherm, and I appreciate that. Yeah, Lucid. I think that's why I started focusing on Lucid, because they're the only ones that they're the only one that just let people just be affiliates without it being too big of a hassle. And I got to choose, or I was able to choose my own code, so that was pretty cool. Tradify denied me and said that I wasn't influential enough or big enough or worth their time. So they denied me. But Lucid did. All right, so if we see a breakout above this one, then I'm going to have to take this one then. Because we already got, because technically this is the range that started the move down. The bears failed to take it out. So if we do see a pop above it, I will take the trade. All right, so tonight, okay, so I'm gonna reset the Tradeify account. I'm gonna reset it. I guess I'll reset it. I don't like taking all these trades in a sim account. I don't like that. Well, maybe I. Oh. The only thing I don't like about Top Step is that they take forever to pay you out. They need to get their payout game on, and that's why I'm not gonna go all in on Top Step, because their payouts are slow. My payout is still pending. If this was Tradeify, it would have got approved and already sent out to my bank account already. But Top Step is still pending. So, yeah, yeah. Yeah, trade day. So here's the thing about trade day, or not trade day. Take profit trader. My old account that I, for whatever reason, I can't get into it. That has a code. That account is still affiliated. You know, like when props first come out, and they just let anybody be an affiliate. That account still has it, but for whatever reason, I can't get into that account. I mean, let me try it again. I still get all the emails about I still get all their this is how we're going to move forward with the affiliate program emails. But for whatever reason, I can't get into the account. Okay, I'm not doing that. Okay. I'm not going to do that. Not as thing as anyway, it's not a big deal. But yeah, I appreciate it though. Yeah, that's definitely true, Alfred. That's why I was like, dude, I'm not gonna put all my eggs in one basket. Mhm. I'll definitely be happy whenever they I can't believe I missed this, man. I really I can't believe I missed that. I really can't believe I missed that. Look at that. Ugh, I can't believe I missed that. And it hit the 50 too. Well, if you got in around the 50, then you would have been good. Can't believe I missed that. My stock would have been down here. I would have gotten paid. I just took a stupid loss. Stupid loss. Stupid loss on. Hmm. You said the order block worked for NQ today? Let's look at NQ. Hmm. Looks like the NQ is trying to make an attempt to break out above and hold above the 15 minute. Are you in a Nasdaq trade right now, Investor Z? Shit, ES still hasn't broken out yet. Okay. All right. So I think this is the trade that I should have waited on. Yeah, you see how everything is lining up? This is the trade that I should have waited on. Okay. Okay. So you're long from 698. Let's look at that. Oh shit, that's a good entry. Yo, that's a great entry, dude. Shit, our boy Investor Z is up right now. At least almost. I was about to say. You should be up about what? About 50 points right now? Where are you planning on taking your profits? Are you trying to retest that high right there? Or look for a retest of that high? Or potentially yesterday's orb high? You said silver's going to range until about like 1 p.m.? I mean, shit. Silver did make this big move higher overnight. That was a big move higher. From this 50. So from actually, let's look at. So if someone got in at the lows, let's see, man, they would have been up 30K today. Just about $28,000 on one contract. $28,000 on one contract from the lows. Mm. Oof. Honestly, I shit don't know about that. Yeah, it seems like that doesn't even work anymore. Yeah, it's not even reliable or nothing. It doesn't work anymore. Or it just doesn't work right now. I guess when the market is trending. Oof. Mm. Yeah, they would be up $28,000 right now, man. That's crazy. Okay. Well, I guess we do have plenty of time for the market to make market to pull back here. I wish I had an account to catch this. Um, should I reset the account now? I was considering a My Funded Futures account, but they do an 80-20 split, and I don't like that. I don't like the 80-20 split. I don't like that. I don't like the 90-10 split, but I mean, I guess it's better than nothing, but 80% is crazy. On the daily accounts, maybe, because, but, whew, I guess if you're trading silver, the daily accounts does make sense. You know what? Let me look at the. Hey, Alfred, you said that does trade day? How long do they usually take to do payouts? And then they have shit. They only have $4,000, dude. Why are they like that? They're not even being competitive with their 50Ks, their 150Ks. They're not being competitive whatsoever. I mean, if they're going to take away $500 of drawdown, mm, Mm, maybe. Mm, mm. Ooh. About to do what? Milk? Uh, can you also pick up some chicken too? You know what you want to get? You know what you want to get?
Yeah, the one that's like freezer,
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
but I have Truly in her room. She emails her when she, you know, but Truth is on her stomach and in the bed.
Put her on her back, because I'm not gonna. Silver likes to build up the anticipation, apparently. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm looking at Bookmap. I mean, there's either this trade is gonna work or we're gonna see a stop run. Either this trade works or we see a stop run. You see all that liquidity sitting right there? So there's obviously people sitting there. And if it breaks, then I guess uh, oh, come here. I should be back before or you gotta leave it like oh let me go leave. No, that's fine, you can leave it. Mhm. Mm. All right, here comes the fireworks. Either the Bulls hold this thing or they don't. We'll see a stop run. So because there's a whole bunch of liquidity sitting at this area right now. All right, we'll see. So I think what I'm gonna do is with silver, since I don't have to work too hard, my focus should be on how many opportunities I have to be profitable. If I have $5,000 of drawdowns, because I might as well just reset the damn Tradeify account, I guess. If I have $5,000 of drawdown, and every trade is going to cost me $450, it gives me 11 opportunities. Seven. All right, Silver, don't do me like that. Looks like a lot of people got their liquidity sitting at 75 all the way down here. I don't know why. Excuse me. If this thing breaks this, I don't know why you would want to get long here. Because I mean they already kind of double bottom here, so and they did take out this high, but they didn't hold it above the high, so I don't know if a long will work down here. I don't know. Shit, I know, right? The anticipation, the build up. It's just like, am I going to touch it? Am I going to fill the order? Am I going to fill the order? All right. So this is the trade that I would have taken if I just waited. See if it works here. I mean, it does look like the Bulls are kind of struggling here, though, on Bookmap, but we'll see. I'm not going to lie, that one hurts. I'm not going to lie, that one hurts. All I had to do was wait, be patient, follow the original plan. Hold on, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, me too. Look how much money I would have been up right now. Man, all right. Like I said, I was in the sim in the original position too. But if I wasn't, I would have taken that trade. I would have taken it. And seeing the pullback, my God, man. Ah, no, 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 no. Silver, no. Why? No. It's really my fault. Hold on, hold on. Let me just. Always, always. Ugh. All right. No, 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 no. Stop. Ah, dang, dang, dang. You said that you cut a winning trade on short you cut a winning trade short early on silver when you could have been done sooner. Sir, it's happening. He's in the sim. Super pump it. Make him feel super. No! Make him feel FOMO. Make him buy another account. Oh, man. Look at that entry. Ah, okay. I'm going to take this as a learning experience, guys. Oh, my God. 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 Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, man. Should be up 130 something ticks, man. Man. Okay. Mm. Mm. Well, if that hasn't convinced you of being patient, I mean, shit. What will? What will convince you that being patient, especially on silver, is what's going to keep you consistently profitable and paid? Wow. Mm. Man. Well, I mean, we kind of figured that that trade was going to work. I mean, look at all that liquidity sitting right there. There is no way that trade wasn't going to work. I mean, it was highly likely that it could have. I mean, either it would have broke through that and we would have saw a stop run, or they was gonna hold. But that was too much liquidity in that area for that thing not to hold. So I was confident. I mean, the market's been rotating around this level. We got the market bouncing off of it, rejecting. So I was confident that the level would work. I mean, I would have been done earlier this morning if I, just would have trusted the other one, but I didn't trust it. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to participate in that one, unfortunately. Hmm. So I just had to remember all the steps. If I think I might have to make a checklist or something, man. I mean, I don't have to make a checklist, but you know, when I get euphoric, I like to just try to hop in the trades and hope that I get lucky. Hmm. I've been focusing so much on silver. I've been neglecting gold for so long. I haven't taken a gold trade in my live account or in my phase 2 account with Blue Sky ever since I gotten it last week. I have not taken one trade in this account. Wow. You said oh, no, you talk about silver's ranging? Yeah. I mean, technically we did break this structure, or at least this leg broke that structure, and I should have just waited for that. Broke that structure, that structure, that structure. Kind of double, yeah, it took that. And then now this leg it took out that structure and it's not a new high. And we could see the market start trending here. It could. But like I said, I mean, I would have taken profits already. And so this would have been my trade for the day. Well, technically, this move should have been my trade for the day because I mean, even if I didn't have this range as reference, and I'm glad that I had this range drawn out. Honestly, I'm glad that I had this range drawn out. But because obviously the market loved this range and loved this 50% today. But even if I didn't have this range and all I went off of was this one, yeah, I would have been done. I would have been done. Because this trade right here, this would have been like 100 and something ticks, 130 ticks. But like I said, my goal is to make these to hold silver longer for those big winners. That's my goal with silver, is to hold them for those big winners. Yeah, I would have had my target hit right there. I mean, I would have been done for the day, happy. Mm, okay. Well, we're just gonna keep on jabbing here. Just gonna keep on jabbing. Yeah. I took my one loss, so I got, like I said, I got impatient earlier. I took my loss in the Tradeify account. So I did that earlier on. Honestly, I don't know. If I didn't have this range and I missed this move, man, I don't know. It's not like the market ranges anymore. It's always trending. It doesn't. Mm, okay. Well, yeah. I don't want to pay no activation fee or nothing. I don't care for that. I don't care for paying twice for the same account. Yeah, I gotta think about it. I guess the only two options that I have is either Lucid or Tradeify. Those are the only two options I have. Like I said, I don't want to put all my eggs in a basket with Top Step. I already got. Well, they do owe me one account right now, so maybe they haven't responded, they haven't responded to my message. I'm still waiting on a team member. I don't know why. All right, okay. They said that the usual reply time is around 3 days. Wow, Top Step. Wow. I have to wait 3 days to get a response from you guys. Wow. Hmm. A 100K trade day account, huh? Hmm. They don't have Top Step X anymore, or not Top Step X, Project X anymore. Or Alfred, how long did it take for you to get a payout with the trade day? I guess the benefit about trade day is that the daily payouts, mm. especially with silver, mm. You can't make more than $5,000 though, right? I mean, do I really want to do trade day? Mm. Yeah, so their 100K accounts is 165. Lucid's 100K accounts is 157. I have a 50% consistency rule, so I have to trade these in 2 days on the Flex account. Their pro evals are 192. Well, Alfred, I no longer trade. I no longer want to trade micro silver. Actually, I don't want to trade. I mean, if I'm gonna risk, man, if I'm gonna trade silver, I might as well trade the mini. So I've already decided that I'm trading the mini, and plus, a really big factor in that decision was Bookmap, because on the micros, the liquidity is fucking. Oh my bad. The liquidity is everywhere. It's crazy over there on the micro side of silver. On the mini side of silver is calm, and I can plan my trades better. I mean, obviously, you don't have. I mean, with the liquidity, it's definitely going to be calmer. Let's actually look at the liquidity on silver. Yeah, so the liquidity on silver is literally half of it. So you're dealing with more contracts over there on the micro side, and Bookmap just shows that to me, and I was like, yeah, I'm definitely not trading it, because my plan was to look at the micro silver on Bookmap. They'll have like 100 contracts at one location, and it's constantly moving. Or at least the day that I was looking at it, the liquidity was moving everywhere. Nothing. It looked like nothing was standing still. but on the mini, it was easier to read. You see, you've been trading the minis on the trade day eval. Why trade days? Well, I mean, I know the daily payouts are, especially if you get a good day on silver with the daily payouts, that's pretty good. But you can't make more than $5,000 though, right? But you have to make $5,000 and then you have to put it up for review. Or how does that work? Is it if I make as soon as I make $5,000, I have to stop trading and talk to one of their risk managers or something like that, Alfred? Or is it can I make 20K in a day and get a $15,000 payout? Because I know with Blue Sky they had that same $5,000 daily limit, $10,000 weekly limit. So I think, well, I assume that $5,000 mark must be like, but I know with the Take Profit Trader they have like that $10,000 limit that you can make per day. Well, yeah. And this shit's getting kind of dirty. Like this shit don't work no more. That shit work when it wants to work. Okay. Yeah, I definitely agree with that, Rug Kid, because I was watching the replay over the weekend, and then I was watching the Open for silver on Sunday, and shit, the micros were crazy. The minis were definitely easier to read, so that's what kind of solidified me. Just like, you know what, I might as well just stick with the minis for sure, and just trade an account that's big enough that allow me to have a margin of error, because you can easily get your money back. I mean, that's the great thing about silver is that you can really play a numbers game, and you can get your money back. If you're trading it the way that you should be trading it. I guess I have to say that. But if you're not, then silver's going to take that account. It does look like silver wants to dump, though. I'm not going to sit here and say that this thing, I mean, it looks like it wants to go higher, but it also looks like it kind of wants to dump here. We do have all that liquidity sitting at 75 on Bookmap, so I'm pretty sure the market eventually wants to go and grab that. Dude, like, Alfred, it took everything in me not to jump in. I locked my accounts out, and I still lost that day. I still lost because the market was dumping. So I still lost. I should have just jumped in and just took the chance. But I know January 15th, December 31st, tomorrow, silver should be crazy, right? Shit, what if? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, you already know that Top Step X. I mean, shit. It's pretty. It's. I don't know if this is intentional. If this bug is. Well, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that about it. But what's been consistent is we usually see Top Step having issues on volatile, crazy days where traders can make a lot of money in a short period of time. We saw that yesterday. Actually, I'm starting to see, and this is probably the last thing I talk about. I see Project X. So I still have my Project X Tradify account, and I have a loss limit, and the platform has been over exceeding my loss limit and not automatically locking me out. So I don't know if I'm being supported still, if I'm trading at my own risk at the moment, because it's not locking me out. My other account is not locked out, and prices, or I lost more than what I wanted to lose. So I have noticed that. Uh, Once Project X is is already no longer available. I'm gonna probably start trading on Quantower. I like Quantower a lot. I like Quantower. You say they don't care about those accounts. Yeah, that's exactly how it feels like. Exactly. Dude, Red Kit, I fell in love with Quantower. I really do enjoy it. Honestly, I just like the interface, man. If Tradeovate looked like that, then I would trade it. I just like the interface. It looks so clean. I like the colors. I like the some. Well, I mean, once you get your PhD in rocket science and you figure the damn thing out, it can be very simple. Yeah, I definitely. Yeah, I enjoy it too. Uh, so once Project X is officially only at Top Step, um, I'll just start getting Quantower accounts instead of NinjaTrader 8 accounts. Obviously, I'll always do all of my my charting on NinjaTrader 8 because of the drawing tools, but I guess we can use Quantower. Quantower charts. The only thing that is that actually maybe not, because unless it's different. So with my funded futures, I was only able to use 2 indicators. Which I thought was kind of weird, but hmm. But uh I am definitely out of time for this session. Hold on, Alfred says, yeah, I do like that too, man. Like I like the whole interface with Quantower is definitely is great. I like it. I like it. Uh, So that's gonna be my plan moving forward. I'll have an account before the end of the day. I just don't know. I don't want to spend $200. But if I get a 50K, I have to think about this. I really have to think about it. But all right, guys, I appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day, and keep on